Hey everybody, it's Dan from BD Diesel here, and today we're going to talk to you about our new Swaybar Endlink kit for the 2013 to 2021 Dodge 2500 and 3500 pickup truck with the four-wheel drive. Let's get at it. BD's heavy-duty Swaybar Endlinks are stronger and more durable than the OEM part. BD's Endlinks are made with a high-strength, heat-treated forged steel center section that is black Cerakote finish for longevity. Utilizing an oversized ball joint and tough poly bushings, the BD Endlinks can tolerate higher loads that cause the stock parts to break and wear rapidly. The ball joint allows for greater articulation than bushing-only replacement Endlinks and allows for normal sway bar movement. All components are designed to be easily serviceable, and wear items are low cost to replace. This makes the BD Swaybar Endlinks the obvious choice when it comes time to replace the worn-out factory Endlinks. These Endlinks are ideal for stock height to 2-inch suspension lift. Trucks that are lifted more than 3 inches will require a sway bar offset spacer, which is typically included in most lift kits. The heavy-duty sway bar Endlinks can be installed in under 1 hour, work for gas and diesel trucks, and have got easily serviceable components. For more information and to check this product out, please give us a call at 1-800-887-5030 or check us out online at www.bddiesel.com.